isn't it? It's a sight of magic and awe. Thousands of little fairy princesses lit up the sky, swirling in the air like butterflies in a warm summer's eve. He grabbed his paper and pen, and his first song saw the light of day.
Sun's out, la 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 la, and it feels so good. La 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 la, on my side. La 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 la, and it feels so good. Let's go. La 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 la.
Happy birthday, Shaya Kalay. Sana mag-aral ka na mabuti katulad ni Kuya Maraming Beto.
Shaya naman as a cast, very playful, very jolly, and very respectful rin when naglalaro kami ng Roblox and anything.
Happy birthday, Shaya!
On the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, glossy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. I love you.
Happy birthday, Shaya! Sana lumaki kang malusog, saka maging magaling. Lagi magaling ka sa pag-aaral mo. Lagi ka magmamana kay mami, huwag kay daddy.
Happy birthday, Shaira! Buhay ka lang po, ngayon na tayo nagkita, pero this time magpapakilala na ako at magpapakita na ako. Sorry sa mga atraso ko, andito ang ninong mo. Maglaki mo at kailangan mo ng, ng mga advice. Bilang pangalawang magulang, ito ko para sa'yo. Happy birthday!
I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the...
Happy birthday, Shaya! Ang wish ko sa'yo, may all your wishes come true, and sana maging responsible ka pa and maging mabait always. I love you!
Happy birthday, Shaya! May the Lord bless you in all aspects of your life and continue serving the Lord as God's little servants. God bless you.
I'm living on the bright side.
Happy birthday, Shaya!
Wish namin sa'yo, we hope you grow up na confident sa sarili mo, and we hope na you do what makes you happy kasi meron ka namang very supportive parents. Happy birthday, Shaya!
I'm living on the bright side.
Shaya, happy birthday! Ang gusto ko sa'yo, maging healthy ka, especially palagi kang mag-ano kay Lord, maging lingkod, and mag-aral mabuti.
Wish ko sa'yo na lumaki kami takot sa Diyos and sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad.
I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side.
7 years old ka na, parang kailan lang. Sana maging memorable sa itong day na to. May isa to sa memories na hindi mo makakalimutan. So, andito lang kami nila Mami at Daddy. Ano mang pangarap mo sa buhay. Andito lang kami to support you all the way.
Always, lagi ka lang dapat tulad ng ngayon. Huwag kang magbago, laging kang masunurin. So, yun. Laging sweet. Laging may hug, kiss, ganyan. So, happy birthday and enjoy mo yung araw na to.
I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에 Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a problem child, 'cause I got too wild. But
Happy birthday, Shaya! We love you!
I'm done hiding now, I'm shining like I'm born to be.
Sana lumaki kang mabait, huwag ka magmana sa mami mo, mataray.
Happy birthday, Shaya!
We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're going, gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Go
palagi at saka maging magaling. I wish you good health always and my all your wishes come true.
Siya ay napakabait na bata. Sana maging malusog ka at diretso ang pag-aaral niya. Patuloy ang kabaitan.
Happy birthday! Ang prayer ko, ikaw ay lumaking may banal na pagkatakot sa Diyos at maging pagpapala ka, hindi lamang sa iyong pamilya, kundi sa lahat ng mga kaibigan mo, kaklase mo, at may your dreams come true. God bless you. Happy birthday!
As you grow older, may you carry this happiness, kindness, and love that shine through you. A blessed birthday, Shaya.
Wow, Shaya. Ako naman, everything I deserve their own bigay gift. So, bigay gift yung regal cover.